Here's how to put StikZap on your Sony Clie without using the cradle or any docking software. All you need is your computer, Clie obviously, a memory stick, doesn't matter if it has IBOware on it or not, just make sure it has enough room, and then a memory stick reader, of course. So first, just make sure you've inserted your stick into the Clie at least once, because that'll make a couple folders and directories we need. Then go ahead and pop it into your computer or memory stick reader. Go ahead and open the root directory, and there should be a folder called Palm here. These other folders you can ignore, they're just some software I have on here right now. And then once you're in that Palm folder, go ahead and open Launcher, and make sure you have your PRC StikZap file, and just plop it in here. I already have one, just going to replace it anyway. And go ahead and pull your stick, pop it into your Clie, and then it should open up this whole card menu where it shows what's on the memory stick. So what you're going to want to do is tap this guy up here, copy, and then you're going to go to handheld, StikZap, copy. That'll go ahead and do its thing. Then hit done. You can go ahead and pull the card now, and then StikZap should be installed on your Clie, and you should be all set.